works in a Java programming language and little bit about their advantage of this encapsulation. So we can say that the encapsulation is the technique where we can wrapping up the data inside wrapping up the data by the single unit, or we can say that we can bind it together of the code, and it's doing the manipulation. So and another way we can say that it is a technique where we hide the data from the outer side of the word, or we can say the outer side of the class. So if you see if you understand this technically, so we can say that it is the technique we hiding the data from the outer side of the class, and the inside of the data we will be achieved by only through member of the functions, and this member of these functions of a class it should be declared in a program. So we can say that it's the encapsulation is hiding the data from the outside outer side of the class, and this is achieved by the only when we make the variable or method private, and to the end users end users we showing the only showing the classes, or we can show the only essential data without showing their details or behind the scene, and just and this is achieved by the only the abstraction concept. So another way we can say that encapsulation is nothing but the abstraction concept or data hiding. So there are so many advantages there to using this encapsulation in Java programming language. So one by one we will discuss. The first one is data hiding. So early we can say that we will hiding the data from the outer side of the class, just to make the variable or method private, and this is the accessible only through a member of the functions, and it is protective, or we can say that it's a protective shield where the data can be not easily accessed to the outer side of the class. And the second one is the using this encapsulation we will achieve the flexibility. So in a Java programming language, if we only make the variable return only or read only, if we wish to read only, we can say that set method. So we can do things only a set name or a set name or a set method. And if you wish to make a variable only read only, we will achieve this only a get method. And using this encapsulation in Java programming language, it is using this encapsulation code will be reusable in our program. And that's my point of view about this encapsulation in Java programming language. Thank you.